Best places to visit in Dubai. Dubai is a dream born from the desert. A place where ancient traditions rise beside futuristic skylines, and every grain of sand holds a story of ambition. Here, the scent of spice markets blends with sea breezes, while glass towers stretch toward heaven and camels cross golden dunes at sunrise. It's a land of contrast and harmony, where you can ski indoors by day and dine beneath the stars in the desert by night. Every street glows with elegance, every moment is layered with luxury, and yet beneath the glitter lies something soulful, something timeless. Dubai is not just a destination, it is a world created from pure imagination, shaped by vision, and sculpted into wonder. And just wait until you see what's waiting at number 3, a place so unbelievable, it feels like stepping into the future itself. Number 10, the Dubai Desert. The Dubai Desert is part of the Arabian Desert and offers a vast, scenic landscape of golden sand dunes and unique desert experiences. One of the most popular activities, it involves driving a 4x4 vehicle over the sand dunes for an exciting ride. Camel riding, a traditional way to explore the desert, giving visitors a taste of Bedouin culture. Desert safari. These guided tours often include dune bashing, camel rides, sandboarding, and sometimes an overnight stay in a desert camp. Sandboarding, similar to snowboarding but on sand dunes, offering an adrenaline-filled experience. Desert camps, visitors can experience Bedouin-style camps with local food, henna painting, belly dancing performances, and stargazing. Number 9. Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. The Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo is a captivating destination that offers visitors an immersive journey into the mesmerizing world beneath the waves. Located within the Dubai Mall, this aquatic wonderland is home to thousands of marine creatures from around the globe, housed in one of the largest suspended aquariums in the world. As visitors enter the aquarium, they are greeted by a breathtaking sight, a vast cylindrical tank teeming with colorful fish, graceful rays, and majestic sharks. The sheer scale of the aquarium is awe-inspiring, with its transparent walls providing an up-close view of the diverse marine life that inhabits its waters. For thrill seekers, the aquarium offers the opportunity to dive with sharks in the Shark Encounter experience. Number 8. The Dubai Fountain. Dubai takes pride in having the biggest and best of everything. The goal for WET's water features at the MR development Burj Khalifa certainly was no different. Having seen WET's previous successful fountains, MAR's chairman wanted to bring the thrill and grandeur of WET's work to this distinguished mixed-use development. He commissioned WET to design spectacular water features that would make this property a standout in a city of standouts, marking Burj Khalifa as a must-see destination. The Dubai Fountain is situated prominently in front of the world's tallest man-made structure, Burj Khalifa. 5 rings of high-powered water jets span the entire length of the lake, ensuring that every vantage point around the perimeter is an exceptional one. Number 7. Dubai Frame. The Dubai Frame is a striking architectural landmark that stands as a symbol of the city's rich past, present, and future. Located in Zabil Park, this monumental structure offers visitors a unique perspective on Dubai's evolution from humble beginnings to its current status as a global metropolis. At 150 meters tall and 93 meters wide, the Dubai frame is one of the largest picture frames in the world, framing breathtaking views of the city's iconic skyline on one side and the historic district of Old Dubai on the other. Visitors can ascend to the sky deck, located at the top of the frame, via high-speed elevators that whisk them to the observation deck in a matter of seconds. From the sky deck, visitors are treated to panoramic views of Dubai's modern marvels, including the Burj Khalifa and the Palm Jumeirah. Number 6. Global Village. Dubai Global Village is a large multicultural theme park that brings together cultures from around the world. Located in Dubai, UAE, it offers a vibrant mix of entertainment, shopping, and dining, along with various cultural experiences. The Global Village is famous for its pavilions, representing over 75 countries from around the world. Each pavilion showcases unique aspects of that country's culture, including traditional handicrafts, clothing, and cuisines. Visitors can explore replicas of famous landmarks and architecture from different nations. The park hosts numerous live performances, including music concerts, cultural dances, stunt shows, and street performances. International artists and performers often showcase their talents here. The rides and attractions at the Global Village also make it a favorite destination for families. Number 5. Dubai Mall. In the heart of Dubai, the colossal Dubai Mall stands as a modern marvel, a testament to architectural grandeur and consumer paradise. Towering skyscrapers surround its sprawling expanse, but within its walls lies a world of opulence and indulgence. Visitors from every corner of the globe flock to its entrance, eager to explore its labyrinthine corridors and endless offerings. Luxury boutiques beckon with their shimmering displays, while designer brands showcase the latest trends in fashion and style. But the Dubai Mall is more than just a shopping destination. It's a cultural hub where entertainment and leisure converge. Families gather at the Dubai Aquarium, marveling at the aquatic wonders that inhabit its vast tanks. The Dubai Fountain dazzles spectators with its synchronized water and light performances, a spectacle that captivates audiences night after night. Number 4. Burj Al Arab. Located on its own island, Burj Al Arab Jumeirah features suites overlooking the sea, 8 signature restaurants, and a full-service spa. Guests may arrive at the property by chauffeur-driven fleets of Rolls-Royces, or alternatively by a dedicated helicopter transfer service. The terrace offers 2 swimming pools, 32 luxury cabanas, a restaurant, and a bar. Featuring floor-to-ceiling windows with panoramic views of the Arabian Gulf, each suite includes a reactor speaker, complimentary Wi-Fi, and widescreen interactive HD TV. Wireless charger and media hub is also available. The Skyview Bar is suspended 656 feet above sea level, where guests can enjoy afternoon tea and cocktails. Al Muntaha is the Burj Al Arab's signature fine dining restaurant, serving contemporary European cuisine. Padillas Forgettables, Padillas, Canties for the fancy, fine dining restaurant, and truly romantic restaurant. Number 3. Museum of the Future. A portal through time. Rising like a silver ring in the heart of Dubai, the Museum of the Future is not just a building, it's a question, a vision, a promise of what's to come. Its shape is bold and symbolic, a torus without corners or edges, covered in Arabic calligraphy that glows with poetry and innovation. Inside, you don't just observe the future, you live it. Walk through immersive exhibits that take you to the year 2071, exploring space colonization, artificial intelligence, climate science, and human evolution. Every floor ignites your curiosity, Every room challenges your imagination, until you're no longer a visitor, you're a time traveler. The Museum of the Future is not only Dubai's architectural jewel, it's a glimpse of tomorrow, built today. Number 2. Palm Jumeirah. Palm Jumeirah is an iconic man-made archipelago in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, shaped like a palm tree when viewed from above. A marvel of modern engineering and a symbol of Dubai's ambition, it is one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world. Constructed using land reclamation techniques, Palm Jumeirah stretches into the Arabian Gulf and adds approximately 78 kilometers to Dubai's coastline. Palm Jumeirah is part of a larger trilogy of palm-shaped islands, though it is the first and most famous. Its design includes 3 main sections: the trunk, which serves as the central hub with residential buildings and shops, the fronds, which host luxury villas and private residences, and the crescent, a breakwater that protects the island and houses several high-end hotels and resorts. Number 1. Burj Khalifa. Get the feel of standing next to the world's tallest building when you visit the Burj Khalifa in Dubai. Measuring up to 828 meters, it's the perfect spot to take an iconic photo or just enjoy the sheer height of it. The view from the observation deck on the 148th floor offers a breathtaking view of the city's skyline, and guess what? The city decided to build a second skyline to complement the first. And yes, you enjoy the magic of this place more when you visit at sunset. Want to enjoy the relaxing ambience of Dubai? There's no better place than in the breathtaking landscape of the Dubai Marina. An evening stroll through this place promises a relaxing atmosphere that is second to none. Make your stroll even more fun by visiting the impressive restaurants, cafes, and boutiques on the marina. If you found this content helpful and inspiring, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends and family.